So today we are looking for organisms around our school. Adaptation is the process in which living organism adjusts itself to suit better in the environment. There are three types of biological adaptations: structural, behavioral, and physiological adaptations. Through these adaptations, the organism would increase their chance of survival and reproduction in various habitats.
Structural adaptation is the physical body features that an organism has which help it to adapt. For example, a chameleon is able to change its skin color. This would help them camouflage into their surroundings and increase their chances of survival if a predator is hunting them. Behavioral adaptation is the action done by the organism to survive. For example, birds migrate to better locations to find food supply. With sufficient food supply, they can survive and reproduce.
Lastly, psychological adaptation, which is an internal and metabolic change in an organism that helps it survive. For example, as humans sweat in hot temperature and shiver when we're cold, where sweating helps cool the body, while shivering helps to warm the body, such as camels, who have water kidneys where they are able to store water inside their bodies during a hot situation such as like the desert place.
The moth shown in the video is called Crambit-Snout moth. They're in the family called Crambidae. Crambit-Snout moths are typically small. They're usually white, gray, or brown with spots. They have several structures to help them adapt to an environment and survive from predators. The first one is this type of moth is very thin and small. With their pale wings all together, they're able to fold their wings and camouflage as if they were parts of the grass. This helps prevent being eaten by predators. Adult moths have a specific tympanal organs, which is their hearing organs and the second abdominal segments in their body. These structures help these organisms obtain ultrasonic sounds from predators like bats. This helps them to be able to take action and fly to a safer place. Lastly, they have a modified labial pulp. Labial pulp is the hairy structure at its head which functions to detect food source. This type of moth have a unique shape of labial pulp. They're long and shaped forward, making it seem like a snout and helping them obtain food easier.
The insect shown in the video is a black ant from the family of Formicidae, where besides physical adaptations, black ants also show important behavioral adaptations that help them survive. Number 1. Camouflage behavior, where their small dark bodies help them blend in the soils and shadows, where behaviorally ants often move close to the ground or along surfaces to stay hidden from predators. Second, communication and teamwork. Black ants use their antennas to detect pheromones, which are known as chemical signals, where behaviorally they follow scent trails to find food and warn other ants of danger, where this group behavior increases their survival chances. Where these behavior adaptations together with their body structure help black ants survive in their environment.
Sparrows are small birds commonly found in rice fields, gardens, and cities. They adapt well to living near humans and usually move and feed in flocks to find food easily and stay safe from predators. Sparrows eat seeds and grains with hard shell. After swallowing food, it is stored in a crop and then crushed in the gizzard, a strong muscular stomach. They sometimes swallow small stones to help them grin the seeds. This helps them get nutrients from taught plants, food, and survive in farms and rice fields. Sparrows also have fast metabolism, so they burn energy quickly. This helps them fly fast, stay active, and escape predators. It also can control its body temperature. In cold weather, they fluff up their feathers to trap warm air, and in hot weather, they rest in the shade or plant to cool down. This allows them to survive in different climates.